Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LawToolBox for deadline management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the LawToolBox website and create an account if you haven't already done so. Log into your LawToolBox account using your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the deadline management feature, which is typically in the main navigation menu. Click on the Deadline Management option to access the relevant tools. To create a new deadline, find the Add Deadline button and click on it. You will now see a form where you can input essential details for the deadline. Start by entering the case name related to the deadline. Next, select the type of deadline from the drop-down menu provided. Fill in the specific date and time for the deadline, making sure to double-check for accuracy. If applicable, add any notes or additional information in the designated comments section. After entering all necessary information, review the details for correctness. Once confirmed, click the Save button to record the new deadline. To view your deadlines, navigate back to the Deadline Management section. Here, you can see all created deadlines listed chronologically. If you need to update a deadline, click on the specific entry you wish to edit. Make the necessary changes and ensure you save the updates. For convenience, use the filtering options to sort deadlines by date, type, or status. In case of any conflicts or overlaps, LawToolBox will notify you immediately. Utilize the reminder settings to receive notifications ahead of important deadlines. You can also share deadlines with team members directly through the platform. To do this, select the deadline and choose the Share option, then enter the recipient's email. Finally, regularly check your deadlines to stay on top of your case management. With consistent use, LawToolBox can significantly streamline your legal deadline management. By following these steps, you'll maximize its features effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.